I got out of the car scene, and then I just kind of went right back into a different thing, which was
Mhm.
bikes, right? She was pregnant when I got my first bike. She, it was one of those things. I sold my sports car. I had like a little Subaru. Sold it to get a family car. She
Mhm.
was pregnant. It's our first child, and then I just still had that, that adrenaline in me, and
Yeah.
I wanted to chase something. So I said, oh, I always wanted a bike. I always wanted a bike. She did not want me to buy a bike. My mom didn't want me. I just did it, man.
Mhm.
I
That's
had
what
to.
I did. Yeah.
Yeah, right. I feel
My
like a
my
lot of
parents didn't want it. No.
yeah, like that story. Like
Yeah.
nobody I and I get that all the time when people ask me like, I don't even ride, man. I always wanted a bike, but so and so is preventing me. And I'm like, nobody's preventing you.
Yeah, you can go out. You got money,
I
right? You
said,
go out and buy
yeah,
it.
you got money, you can do it. But yeah, but I don't want to. I'm like, look, man, they're gonna love you no matter what.
Yeah.
If it's something you really want to do, it's tough. Like you're gonna be thinking about it forever, right? And
Yeah.
that's kind of what decided me. That's what I just how that's what helped me get my first bike is just thinking about the fact that if I don't do it now, I'm never
Yeah.
gonna do it, right?
And I think about it from now. I mean, we're both parents, so I mean, if
Mhm.
my kid wants to ride a motorcycle, it's not that I don't want him to do it. I'm scared for his well-being. That's all. That's all that is. So I know if he went out and took some classes, or made sure he's 100% safe. He got gear first. He did his research. I'd be perfectly fine if he got a bike, and
Yeah,
then making sure he's actually doing it consistently. I mean, that could be for anything like video games, skateboarding, all that stuff. It's like just
yeah,
wear gear because you understand like if you break your knee, you can't play soccer now. Whatever his
right.
other favorite thing is. For us, it's holding our kids, and if we crash.